So we start to plant. There's the seeds already of the flowers here. Yeah, that's what we do today. We're planting flowers in this cactus here that we plant today. Yeah, that's our planting. This is a garden. Then the other one not yet done. This tomorrow we plant that one. Then now I will continue this work to put the straw, cover the seeds. Yeah, this is the big straw long than the other that we used there. See, this long straw than the other one that we use. So, that's it.